Excuse me, brother. May I have your phone, please? Actually, I'm lost.
Okay, take it.
Oh, thank you.
Hello?
Hello, brother. This is Kea. I'm lost.
What? My sister Kia, where are you?
I'm in Goripur Bazaar now.
Give me the location.
I am in front of Pankosha Goripur Coaching Center now.
Okay, you stay there. I'm coming right now. This is by move aside.
Okay, come fast, brother. Thank you, brother.
You're welcome.